Ladies, get into the look. This is a long straight glueless wig. She comes a pre-everything wig. I'm going to show you how I install her. Super easy and for beginners. Here is a pre-everything wig. This is what we are working with today. This one is 100% glueless. This is our gorgeous wig straight out of the box. I'm showing you guys the hairline. Absolutely pre-plucked to perfection. Again, a no work needed situation. This is also what she looks like as a side part. For specs, this is an invisible air lace HD Swiss lace wig. I'm showing you the length of the hair. It has a beautiful sheen. So even on the days when you wake up and you just throw her on in a bow, this is something that is amazing for beginners or just lazy wig wearers like myself who just like to get ready in 5 minutes.